In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT to brainstorm creative content ideas for your projects. Whether you're diving into the world of digital marketing or exploring another exciting field, these steps will guide you through harnessing AI technology to spark innovation and creativity. To begin, let's head over to chat.openai.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Having an account gives you access to ChatGPT's vast potential, allowing you to tap into its array of functionalities effectively. After you're logged in and ready to go, the first crucial step is to decide on your topic or niche. This could be anything that piques your interest or relates to your work, such as travel, fitness, technology, or cooking. For today's demonstration, we'll use digital marketing as our example, but feel free to select whatever suits your needs. With your topic in mind, it's time to enter your initial brainstorming prompt. A good starting point could be asking ChatGPT for creative content ideas. For instance, you might type, "Give me 10 creative blog and YouTube video ideas about digital marketing that are unique, engaging, and relevant for 2025. This prompt is broad but sets the stage for generating innovative concepts that fit your field. However, to really fine-tune the output and receive more tailored suggestions, it's beneficial to get specific. You can do this by adding a follow-up prompt. Let's zero in on a particular aspect of digital marketing, like TikTok strategies. You could ask ChatGPT, "Focus on TikTok marketing strategies for small businesses." Make the ideas catchy and easy to understand. By narrowing the focus, you'll prompt the AI to generate more relevant and refined content ideas, making it easier for you to pinpoint the best ones for your needs. Next, consider exploring different formats for your content. ChatGPT can help by suggesting varied structures. For example, you might ask, "Suggest 5 how-to guides, 5 listicles, and 5 case study ideas." This approach not only diversifies your content, but also helps you reach different audience preferences and learning styles. Once you have a list of promising ideas, tailoring them to your audience is crucial, especially if you're targeting a specific group. If your content is aimed at beginners without a marketing background, simply request ChatGPT to adapt these ideas for beginners with no marketing background. This adjustment ensures your content is accessible and engaging to your target demographic. Finally, to keep everything organized and easy to understand, you can ask ChatGPT to present the ideas in a structured format. An example prompt would be, "Put these ideas into a table with columns for idea title, content type, and short description." This way, you have a clear overview of each concept, helping you make informed decisions on which ideas to pursue. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to leverage ChatGPT for generating innovative and relevant content ideas tailored to your needs. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, this method provides a reliable pathway to spark creativity and add value to your projects.